Hi there, you're welcome. Now let's explore some options for using markers in your workflow. Markers are kind of like little post notes you can add to your projects to mark certain spots or even just leave an editing note to yourself or someone you are collaborating with. There are a lot of different ways to use markers. They won't show up in your video, so you can be totally creative with both your marking and naming techniques. There are two kinds of markers, the timeline markers and the clip markers. The timeline markers live on the timeline while the clip markers stay attached to the clip. To set the markers, go to the Hide or Show Quiz or Marker track. Click the drop-down button to see the list. The marker is already enabled, as you can see, but if you have a quiz marker enabled, you will be adding a quiz. Now, for this project, let's say I am collaborating with a co-content creator and I need this video to end at exactly 30 seconds. Now, this is of course too short for a casual video or even a tutorial like this, but if you are creating a commercial spot, this is actually pretty common. To set the markers, you will notice the blue plus sign that indicates the marker view is active. So I'm going to click the timeline marker at 30 seconds. On the right of the canvas is the property settings where you can add a short note or title for the marker. Okay, you can add as much timeline markers as needed by your workflow. Let's make a marker from a clip. Same method with a timeline marker. Just click on the exact spot you want to mark as you see the blue plus sign. Note that while you move the clip around, the marker sticks to it. Unlike the timeline marker that can't be moved unless you click and drag to position somewhere else. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.